How to add shaders to Lunar Client in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, there are multiple steps there. So first of all, you have to find a desired shader pack. Like first, you will need to find and download shader pack online. There are many places you find that allow you to download shaders. You can simply start by typing Minecraft shaders download or something similar into Google. However, an example of great site is Minecraft shaders. So you just have to download a shader pack from there, as you can see, like this one. And after that, you have to move shader pack into your shaders folder. So first of all, you have to open your Minecraft settings by pounding the ESC key and go into options video settings. As you can see, after going to the video settings, from here you should see a tab or button titled shaders packs or shaders. As you can see, shader packs, and then you have to click on that. Then you should see another button titled open shader pack folder or something similar. And then, as you can see, open shader pack folder, you have to click on it, should open a file explorer tab, and next drag the recently download shaders folder or zip file into the Minecraft shader packs folder, like this one. You just have to drag and drop here, and you might have to exit the menu and re-enter to see if the shader pack appear on the pack list. And after that, now all you have to do is select the pack you just downloaded and hit the apply button. As you can see, you have to just select it and click on apply from here, and within a couple of seconds Lunar Client should load the shader pack up. So you should immediately see the changes reflected and then enjoy. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.